Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to solve problems involving mean, variance and standard deviation of a distribution table in statistics. And after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving mean, variance and standard deviation of a distribution table easily and fast. So ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video. As usual, you guys are going to learn a lot. Alright, so if you check carefully, you will observe that we have one question to practice with, of which after solving this one question with you here, you'll be able to replicate the process I will show you to solve similar problems you meet or encounter on mean, variance, and standard deviation of a distribution table in statistics. Okay, so in this distribution table we have here, this is the S values and this is the frequency of the S values. So let's get the calculator now and get started solving these problems. Alright, so this is the TI-84 Plus scientific calculator. Now the very first thing you will have to do will be to reset the calculator. Very important guys, to put it in default mode. So to reset it, all you have to do is to press the second button, then this plus button. We want to reset, press 7 for reset. Alright, we want to reset R1, press 1 to reset R1. Okay, then press 2 to reset, and it will begin to do that. Okay, done. Press this clear button. Now guys, to begin to solve this question, basically you are going to make use of this start button here. Alright, so when you look at it carefully, you will see list written in blue color on top of it. So press the start button. Okay, so once you press it, it will bring it to this very place. You go for option 1 for edit. Alright, so this is the list table. So let's begin with, for this question actually we're going to work with two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 will be for our S values, whereas list 2 will be for our frequency values. Alright, it's as simple as this guys. So for S values we have 1. Once you input the value, you press enter for it to get keyed in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 and 6. Alright, so this is for our list 1. Let's go back to list 2 and put the frequency. So the frequency of the first value, we have it to be 4. Okay, frequency of the second value, we have it to be 9. Alright, the third value is 11. Okay, and the fourth value is 13. Alright, the fifth value is 10, and the last value 6 is what, 3. So that's it guys. Now as you are imputing these values, they are being stored on the calculator. So right now, to begin to get the mean, variance and standard deviation, press the start button again. Alright, this time I want to go to this calculation. You shift it, adjust it to this calculation. Alright, so once you get here under calculation, you are going to go for one variable statistics. Alright, this is the right option to go for, one variable statistics. Alright, follow me guys. So you press 1. Okay, so our list 1 is for S values, so it's okay here, don't change anything here. So just press enter. Then our frequency list is list 2. So to bring that list 2, you just press, list 2 is under this button 2. You just press second and this button 2, it will come out. Alright, so that's our frequency list 2. So press enter again to go to this calculate. So it's now this calculate, reflecting this calculate. Press enter again and you will begin to see the values. Alright, so you see our mean, which is the S bar, is 3.5. Is as simple as this, guys. So this is our mean, whereas our standard deviation, if we check here, we have two values for the standard deviation. We have the sample standard deviation and the population standard deviation. Alright, so guys, depending on what you're working with, so the answer for the sample standard deviation is this 1.37. Alright, whereas the answer for the population standard deviation is 1.36. Okay, so guys, if you keep going down, you will see other values. Alright, so that's it, guys. It's as simple as this. So to get the variance, remember variance is the square of the standard deviation. Alright, so let's go for the output for the sample standard deviation, which is 1.37. Alright, so to get a variance for this sample standard deviation is going to be square of 1.37. You get the result. So let's remove this, you clear this, so it's going to give us 1.37 square. Okay, what will be the result? Press enter. So this will be the variance for the sample standard deviation. Okay, if you want to get the population standard deviation, the variance, you do the square of 1.36 and you'll be good to go. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving mean, variance and standard deviation of a distribution table using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions and statistics. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've explained or taught in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. So that's it for this class, guys. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. Just press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1 and press 2 and you'll be good to go, guys. Alright, so that's it.